Good morning, this is Danny Riley from the floor of the CME Group from Mr. Topstop. This morning we have Mike Dever from Brandywine Asset Management. Back in the 90s, our desk used to do a ton of business for Mike, and he took a sabbatical, and I'll introduce Mike. Mike, you want to give a little background on yourself?
Sure, Danny. I traded as a futures trader for 20 years, and in the mid-90s, late 90s, started a company called Spree.com, which quickly grew to being the 7th most trafficked e-commerce site in the web. And got it out for most of the last decade. We did a lot of technology business work and startups, and we're back into futures now.
Great. And Mike, you're here today. You're promoting your book in Chicago, or you're on a radio show this morning?
That's right. I was on a radio show. I wrote a book called Jackass Investing, Don't Do It, Profit From It. And it really relates back to my 30 years of trading, my experience in the markets and investing, and takes 20 common investment myths and walks through each of those and explains why they're a myth,
Great,
not a truth, and what the truth is.
Well, you know what? I know that Mike has signed a book for me, and I'm hoping that everybody else will get a look at the book. Now, Mike, what are your future plans now that you're back in Chicago and back in the industry?
Well, we started trading. We got a seed capital investor in July. We started trading a new fund under the name Brandywine Symphony Fund.
Right.
And we had a good start on that. And we're really taking the models that we developed and ran through the 90s. We've just simply updated those.
Right.
And we're trading those in the new fund.
Yeah, and I saw the fund was up 2.5% last month. You know, and considering the big downturn that we've seen in a lot of these funds over the last couple of months, is there anything that you can lend the investors out there of what you guys have been doing?
You know, our whole philosophy is broad strategy and market diversification.
Right.
We don't have any concentrated bets in the portfolio. The last 3 months have been very good to us. As volatility's picked up in the markets, there were a lot of trading opportunities. And we're really, as I lay out in the book, looking at what the underlying return drivers are for each trading strategy.
Right.
And we capture dozens of different return drivers across 100 plus markets.
Thank you very much. Well, listen, again, Mike Dever from Brandywine, and again, one of our favorite people and a great customer. We're looking forward to you coming back to the markets.
Thank you. Thank you, Dan.
Good to see you.